Again and again, the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, speaks on Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho's case. Yes, Mr. Malami did not even foreclose a political solution to Nnamdi Kanu's matter, and rather Sunday Igboho's matter as well. I would say Nnamdi Kanu, Sunday Igboho, and the people of Nigeria. It seems we are sleeping on board. Yeah. Because Malami is just acting with impunity, because Mr. Malami did not even foreclose a political solution to the Nnamdi Kanu matter. Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB leader, and Sunday Igboho, Yoruba Nation leader, and the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, said on Monday that the law will run its course. It said on Friday also that the law will run its course. So every day is talking about the law is going to run its course. Ow! Well, again, the Attorney General of the Federation said that the law will run its course in the trial of the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, who is being prosecuted at the Federal High Court in over terrorism charges. But Mr. Malami, who appeared on channels television, Politics Today, said, however, did not foreclose a political solution in Mr. Kanu's alleged conflict with the Nigerian law. Okay, well, what is the conflict with the Nigerian law? Because it's not obvious. Nnamdi Kanu was not in Nigeria, but we're hearing too many things before he was arrested. Or even if you guys wanted to arrest Nnamdi Kanu, it would have been heard that you arrested Nnamdi Kanu, but you helped him, to come to Nigeria. Is that not arrest? But in other words, if I say you helped him, then you kidnapped him, you abducted him. So it now depends on the adjective. Oh, my beautiful people want to use. You can use any adjective, and I believe that Nnamdi Kanu, he was not arrested. Because if you talk about arrest, most times we in this part of the world we say, they don't go arrest that guy. That means they would have brutalized him. No, if a white man wants to come and arrest you, because I'm using that developed country, because we went to go and adopt democracy. That is why I'm using it. Because if we don't go past our boundary, go collect what we're not supposed to collect, and we're not even following it, so why should that use that as a yardstick? Now they say they want to go and arrest somebody. You think they could don't expose that person. That's the same way they do in Nigeria, because if they believe they will want to resist arrest, because when police want to come and arrest you, they will not tell you the reason why they are coming to arrest you. They will harass you, not even arrest. That is harass. They will just come, boom, out. Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. Yes, we they watch out for Nollywood. We they watch out. Even if you know they watch out for Nollywood, it has happened several times. If you are in Nigeria, you know what I'm saying. They will just, start dragging somebody. You don't need to drag the person. If you want to, order an arrest, or you want to effect an arrest, please, maybe join us in court, or join us in the station. Let's hear your own side of the story. You can, please, can we? Or if the person, is resisting arrest, fine, you leave the person. You understand? The white man will not force you. They don't even need to force you. You already will follow them, because you want to go and gbadun. They will allow you come back. The reason why you will resist arrest in Nigeria is just because they will start, number one, slapping you, one, bah. Number two, they will start, raking you, kicking you, doing all sorts. And they will expect you not to talk. They will not tell you anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. You go come provoke, say, which court of law? What thing I can't do now? We can't, you understand? All those things is not done. When people will leave you, if you are resisting arrest, they will leave you. That's not the case. You understand? You will come by yourself. Now you will come. Because when alarm go blow, okay, you go work now. You go work. You want to run? Okay, run. We are free to run. Now, before they even caught a hush puppy, you know how they planned the antecedent. They planned it, and if you run, see Abakari, they run up and down. Nobody say they no fit come hold lamb. It's not like they can't catch him. They know what to do to get him, but they just want to give him a benefit of doubt, a privilege. Just gather up yourself. Let's see the outcome. That was why they said, yes, the police force, should, investigate themselves, so that it won't be as if they have indicted him wrongly. And now he's running up and down. See how Nemesis caught up on him. He is now saying that it is the IPOB. The FBI case, they said it was the IPOB. Say this one, it was the IPOB. That was why Adamu Garba, God bless him, he said, "Shut up, you are a stupid man." IPOB, how? What's happened? Okay, if you had stayed in your own lane, Borno, It's very far from Imo State. It's very far from the southeast. What you go to for there? How you tell no say IPOB? Na him do, na him castigate you. I don't really know. I don't know. But notwithstanding, but mine is just that let us guide our heart with diligence. If we are closer to God, God come and take effect. No, love your neighbor as yourself. Like I mentioned, that just it's simple. The commandment is just simple. And the problem of this Nigeria is just love. Yeah, if we really love ourselves, this is what we say. I'm a Muslim, I'm a Islam, a Christian. What is Christianity? What is Islam? What is all that? It's just a way of life. The Oyibo will give us Christianity. We extended gestures to us. They are practicing it and they are enjoying themselves. Not until you carry your head in knock for ground. Bagbo, God, answer me. God will look you as if God bless you, answer yourself. Rigidity. You want to spend the money now by force, with force. You want to eat with force. Everything force. So it shouldn't be. We overdo things. Now, in the case of Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho, yeah, this is what it is. Well, in terms of prosecution, you cannot rule out any possibility. The law of the land must take its natural course. That is coming from MáĽámì. MáĽámì will come here and start, speaking English that he does not even understand. Now, the Minister of Information is Lai Mohammed. When Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, it was supposed to be that the Minister of Information would announce, you MáĽámì sit down, make the carry reports can't give you. You understand? Then you now lay your verdict and talk over it. But as soon as Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped, you were the first person to release that statement. Then you have indicted yourself, you have shot yourself on the leg. As the senior advocate of Nigeria, you do not know what that simply, that will affect to, or what that will amount to. So since you were the first person who announced that, a very good clap for yourself. You have really done a good job by, telling the world that you were the one that planned the kidnapped. Okay, well, it says in our law that there are a lot of possibilities, but as it is now, the law is taking its natural course. Mr. MáĽámì said, well, let the law take its natural course, then the arrest will now take its own natural course. They will indict Nigeria. It will take its natural course as soon as time comes. Ask, what's it called? Ask Kyari. Kyari is doing his things gently and, with durability. Now, the nemesis is taking his natural course. That is just it. Well, there has been a clamor from notable groups in the southeast for Mr. Kanu's release, and also in the Yoruba land for Sunday Igboho's release. Some of them have visited President Muhammadu Buhari over the matter, but Buhari would later respond as in an interview that Mr. Kanu should defend himself in court. Okay, if you ask Mr. Kanu to defend in court, he can definitely defend himself in court, because from the count of charges that you have laid upon him, you said he's a treasonable felony and he jumped bail. Okay, now bring it to the table. They have not even said one thing. Over 6 or 7, 8 times that we have been hearing that Nnamdi Kanu is going to court. We only open our eyes down. We don't even see what they happen for inside court. They go the outside. We go see the court. The outside, they bring Nnamdi Kanu through the back door. No, shouldn't be. Let him calm down. Let everybody see. Snap. Go inside. The people that the court can contain should go inside. Either neutral, either learned or not. Let everybody, because court should be a public place. And that was why the international lawyer for Nnamdi Kanu said that the judiciary system of Nigeria, you don't compromise. That's compromised. So what that simply means is that the judiciary system does not even have weight. You know, get leader, you know, get anybody. Just MáĽámì is the only person controlling the judiciary system. May God help us.